Yeah, good evening, everybody. Um, my name is Chuku Maeze. I'm a Biafran, and I want to say something straight, like real quick. Look, the United Nations is useless to this world, and the United Nations, they are hypocrites. That's what they are. They have no use. They are the problem of this world. They are the problem of this world. I'm telling you the truth. Go check it out. You know, the crises are going on. The looting from Africa is going on. France is looting from Africa. The Britain government is looting from Africa. But every year they have a convention. They meet. They call themselves United Nations. And the people that are there are murderers. How can this be happening in this modern world? I don't know, man. Like, let's check it out. Go and study this shit. I'm telling you. France is looting from Africa. Britain is looting from Africa. And every year, the representative of these people, the president or whosoever, the minister of these countries, they go for United Nations convention every year. And they sit in the same seat. The murderers, the looters. Okay, look at it. The African leaders, they also go for this convention every year. They sit, murderers sit. Murderers, they sit and they do their meeting. And what are we getting? Like, I don't understand. United Nation, like their job is to like fight for countries, support countries. Like, let me tell you something. The aid you hear about United Nations giving aid, look. This is lie. This is a pure lie. Because the United Nations is not playing a fair game here. There are people who needs support. They are not speaking up. They are not speaking up. They are not speaking up. France is doing their own. They are not speaking up. The British is stopping my country. Like, let's look at this thing straight, bro. How can somebody colonize somebody else? This is the greatest offense in human, like in this world. The greatest offense. You take people for slavery. Look, man, this shit is like, I don't know what to call it. And these people, this system continues. The system is still going on. Look at what is happening. France is looting from Africa. Africa, they are not in charge of their money. Why? And United Nations is existing, bro. Why? Why would it be so? And come on, they tell us, yo, we are equal, we are this. But that's not true, bro. Look at it, check it out. That's not true. We can't stop deceiving ourselves. United Nations should be dissolved. They are of no use to us, bro. I'm telling you, man. Listen, check it out, man. They do nothing. They are doing nothing. They are absolutely doing nothing. They are not playing a fair game. Because if you are playing a fair game, you will stand up for the countries that have been looted from. I'm telling you, you stand up for countries who are looking, because yo, it's India. Like, this is just the rule of law, bro. You are free to exercise your human right, man. You are free. You are free to choose who you want to be. And look at it, man. Look at it. I just found something. I was going through the Biafran history, man. I just found out that Biafra is a country that was existing years, many years ago. Like it was written, they said, in the ancient map of Africa, Biafra was existing before. Why would you come and take my identity away from me, bro? And the United Nations is out there looking at people being killed, looking at people being misleaded by some people, and they can't do nothing. They can't give sanctions to these people. Okay, look at it. In Cameroon, what is happening? Man, United Nations they need to be dissolved. I'm telling you, man, they need all of them there. The people who are in charge, all of them not need to be dissolved. I'm telling you, man, this organization has no use for us in this world. I'm telling you, bro. That's the message I just want us to check it out, bro. This thing is crazy. It's like what is happening is really crazy, and it's getting me like I'm thinking like, what is really happening? They take us like a fool or something? Just check it out, bro. It's crazy, yeah. I'm telling you, man. I feel pain. I feel pain in my heart because, yo, this thing's supposed to be an organization that you stand up for injustice. That's what it's supposed to be. Stand up for injustice. Stand up for human rights. Try to protect people. Try to understand people who are seeking for their independence. True, like I'm seeking for independence. This is not something that just been created. This is a country that was existing, man, before the British came, bro. My country was existing before the British came, bro. And United Nations was there when the war was going on, bro. What did they do? Nothing. So look at it, man. They are not helping matters. They have to be dissolved because all of them there going to convention every year. They are murderers. They are looters. They are destiny spoilers. They are killers in one way or the other. And look at it again. African leaders, they steal money from their country. They bring it to Europe. They bring it to the Western world. And United Nations know about all this. And every year, these same people, they come, they sit down, they want to discuss how this world is going to advance. How is that possible, bro? Who is deceiving who? Check it out, bro. That's the message I want us to hear. Check it out.